Hi, I'm back with another journal for my Etsy shop. This one measures 4.5 inches by 6 3/4, and it's 2 inches thick. I made this using a cardstock that I covered with scrapbook paper. I have a pink duct tape spine, and I put some little flowers on the side. I've got 6 signatures that I stitched. You can see the stitching here. And I've got a little bit of bling on the front and a little pocket watch, and it reads Time After Time, Timeless Memories, and it comes with a little bookmark, and the little bookmark has a small sailboat attached. This reminds me so much of summer that I'm looking forward to again. I'll just leave this little bookmark there. It's got an elastic closure, and I've got flowers attached on the inside. So I've got quite a few pages in here, and I will go through them very quickly. There's some scrapbook paper, this is some parchment paper, and some writing paper, and I think this is sketch paper, so there's a whole variety in here. And I've also got some music paper. So I'm just going to go through so that you can see what it looks like if you're interested in purchasing this from my Etsy shop. So there's lots of room for journaling in here, and I didn't include any stamping because part of the fun of journaling is embellishing your journal the way that you would like to see it embellished. I will include a link to it in the description of my video as well as in the comments section. Have a nice day and happy crafting. Bye!